Doge is testing a crucial resistance level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. For those of you that want to stay up to date with my trade setups as well as all of my signals, make sure to check out the link in the bio. My Telegram channel is completely free with all the market updates and trades that you possibly need. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 on trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I know I didn't make a video on Doge for the past 3 days. I was on a little mini vacation, but of course, if you guys are part of the Telegram, you guys would know, of course, the trade updates. So I highly suggest you guys joining. It is free. Now, looking at Doge, you can see that we have hit our major resistance level here at 0.142. In the previous video, I mentioned to you guys that if the level structure of 0.13 does end up breaking, we are going to see a very nice squeeze opportunity, and you can see that we did in fact break above that zone, followed by a retest, and that's why we had the continuation overall. The question on everyone's mind is, of course, where is Doge going to head, and are we going to continue rallying? Well, zooming out on the chart, there is some good news. As of right now, the 0.142 support level is acting as support. This has not happened in a very long time, and you can see the last time it has happened was, of course, in terms of the trade updates, back in June and May to June, we had the level end up holding as support, and then we rallied back into the 0.17. This is what I'm paying attention to as of right now. If the bulls can manage to somehow hold above the exponential moving averages and of course use them as support once again, all we really need to do is simply just wait for the wick high break of 0.149 to enter a long position. The good news is there really isn't much resistance from now until 0.168. So if we do end up seeing a structured break, this is going to cause another massive short squeeze. I always tell you guys to be cautious when you are trading, but right now is not a time to be looking for short opportunities, but instead it is a time to be buying the dip opportunity as well as looking for the long opportunities as well. If we of course end up breaking below 0.13, that is the only time where I would caution you guys to be cautious in terms of the longs, but otherwise we are simply, every single time we see a pullback on the exponential moving averages or of course closing above those zones, we are only looking for longs or buys. Even here on the daily time frame, you will notice that yes, we are completely over leveraged from our exponential moving averages, which is why I'm telling you guys to trade the wick high, not enter the trade setup here, but simply just wait for the wick high break. But of course, if we do manage to see a smaller correction into the 9 and the 20 exponential moving average, more than likely we will probably see a 9 EMA retest, because that's also where 0.13 support is, as well as the fact that's also where the 9 exponential moving average ends up being. That level tends to be a magnet, and of course mostly when it was a larger resistance, we have to retest that liquidity grab before we see any sort of continuation. So that's the level I'm going to be paying attention on. Now, a lot of you guys in the chat, of course in terms of comments as well, have mentioned that, hey Pingu, why are the exponential moving averages not being respected? Why did we see a rally over rally in terms of Doge? Now this brings me to my next point. Guys, you need to understand when you are in a near bull run territory, or of course at least all-time high territory, you may not get the entry you are looking for. This is where things become a little bit more complicated as to your trade style. If you are simply waiting for the exact level retest on the exponential moving averages, you may not receive that. You can see that Doge saw the same opportunity here where we saw the breakout candle. A lot of traders were waiting for the 9, didn't get it, waiting for the 9, didn't get it, waiting for the 9, didn't get it, but then it retested. So there's two trading ways you can do this, of course. Number one, just simply wait for the confirmation and then re-enter. Number two is just simply trading how we've been trading, is the wick highs. Every time structure ends up breaking on wick high here at 0.1386, you enter a long position. Every time structure ends up breaking the wick high, you enter a long position. Every single time structure ends up breaking the wick high, you enter a long position. That's how you were to trade these trade setups. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 trading modes, make sure to check the link bio. If you guys have one.